Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's recipe is going to be really simple, which is Spanish omelet with potatoes and eggs. Exactly, that's only the two ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So first we're going to be peeling off 4 medium-sized potatoes, and then we're going to slice them off and chop into smaller cubes. Now here I'm slicing them and then cut them into the shape of like we make French fries, and then cut them into smaller cubes. You can cut it the way you like. It's just that I prefer it this way. And here you can see this is the quantity of potatoes that we got from those 4 potatoes, and you can see the size of the cubes as well. Now we're going to be pouring the eggs into a bowl and we're going to whisk them together. Now we'll add the spices: 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and black pepper. Usually in the recipe we only add black pepper and salt, but here I just wanted it to be a little spicier, so I added the red pepper as well. 1 tablespoon of milk. It'll make the eggs fluffier and we'll get a mixture without any lumps. Here I added dried coriander. Now the fried potatoes, I took them out directly into the pan, so the oil that was inside the potatoes is what you can see in the pan. And then I just put the pan directly on the heat. When it got heated, I could see the oil from the sides of the potatoes being heated. I added the egg mixture on top of it. Here the quantity of the potatoes was little as compared to the size of the pan, so I just had to fold the sides because I wanted it to look a little round in shape. It should be round, but the shape doesn't really matter until it tastes good. So here you can see the omelet is ready, and you can cut it into the way you like. And I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.